Hello, I'm Belga Israel C. from province of Camarines Sur. My stand for SK or Sangguniang Kabataan is I want it to be reformed instead of abolishing it. Because I believe the Sangguniang Kabataan has to remain. And I disagree about abolishing it. Instead of abolishing it, we still have a good one step. We need to amend or to improve the provisions of the SK law. Because I believe SK will help the other youth on how they participate socially in our community. Instead of thinking that they will be a corrupt on the day that they sit on the position, I believe not of them all will be a corrupt. Rather, they will lead the youth to have a sympathy in our nation. Still, the youth have their own rights to participate in our community. Let us them learn or to have a knowledge on how they lead. Because having a good leader or representative from the youth will help also the youth like me to inspire. And also, I believe the youth has the power to choose carefully the SK leaders based on their values, priorities, capabilities, and youth leadership background. Thank you.